Hi guys, today we are making Spanish called the Spanish latte. So first of all we will take the condensed milk 45 ml and 15 ml we will take caramel syrup. Okay, then we will mix it together, and then after that we will get some milk to become ready, and we will first of all we will put the ice cubes. Okay. Then now we will pour the milk slowly to be not become messy. Then after that we will finish the milk, and then we will put coffee 60 ml. Okay, now your coffee is almost done. Now we can mix it together, this to become all together. So your coffee is ready to drink. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and please subscribe our channel to more videos, to wonderful videos. Thank you.